So right now my Copilot code completion is active. So this is a Node.js app, and I have this file here. Let's assume I want to create a server or initialize my server. So I'll import Express from Express. So it's Express. From Express, you can see it gives me a lot of suggestions here. If I click on maybe put enter, and you see that there are a lot of suggestions. Even if I come back and just say that cons up, let me initialize the Express, you see it's already giving me all these suggestions. And if I tab, it gives me a lot of code completion. So to switch off this, first you'll click on the settings, then search for Copilot, and then in this section here, the Copilot Advanced, you'll first need to edit this, and there's that drop down, select false, then okay. And then the other thing you need to do is just close the settings and go back to the app. Then there's this icon here, the Copilot icon, that is at the bottom right of your screen. If you click on it, you see that all the code completion is disabled. So right now, if I come to my file and I import a module or a package, so Express, from Express, then const app, you can see that the code completion is gone. So I have to type everything by myself. So even if I say app.listen, so there's no code completion at all. So if you come back to this icon, then select all, the code completion is going to come back. See, it's already giving us suggestions. So that is how you can quickly switch on and switch off the code completion. So you just come to this icon at the left, bottom left part of your screen, and just disable all the completion for your files. And you can as well do it from the settings. So you search for Copilot, like that, then just edit that, then you set everything to true, which means it's back. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. See you in the next one.